Halo semuanya. Video kali ini berisi percakapan-percakapan dengan berbagai situasi. Latihlah dengan rutin kalimat-kalimatnya, maka bahasa Inggris Anda akan mengalami kemajuan yang pesat. Baiklah, mari langsung saja kita mulai.
I have an idea for tomorrow. I have an idea for tomorrow.
Aku punya ide untuk besok.
Oh, really? Tell me about it. Oh, really? Tell me about it.
Oh ya, ceritakan padaku.
Let's make cookies at home. Let's make cookies at home.
Ayo kita buat kue di rumah.
That sounds fun and delicious. That sounds fun and delicious.
Kedengarannya seru dan enak.
We can try new shapes too. We can try new shapes too.
Kita juga bisa coba bentuk baru.
Like stars and animals, maybe? Like stars and animals, maybe?
Seperti bintang dan binatang mungkin?
Yes, and use chocolate chips. Yes, and use chocolate chips.
Ya, dan pakai keping coklat.
Great. I'll bring some flour. Great. I'll bring some flour.
Bagus, aku akan bawa tepung.
I think it will be awesome. I think it will be awesome.
Aku rasa itu akan sangat seru.
Me too. Can't wait for it. Me too. Can't wait for it.
Aku juga tak sabar menunggunya.
Why does Grandpa use a cane? Why does Grandpa use a cane?
Kenapa kakek pakai tongkat?
His leg hurts when walking. His leg hurts when walking.
Kakinya sakit saat berjalan.
Can I try walking with your cane? Can I try walking with your cane?
Boleh aku coba jalan pakai tongkatmu?
Be careful, it's slippery outside. Be careful, it's slippery outside.
Hati-hati di luar licin.
This bamboo cane looks very strong. This bamboo cane looks very strong.
Tongkat bambu ini kelihatan kuat.
Yes, it lasts many years. Yes, it lasts many years.
Ya, bisa bertahun-tahun.
The doctor said I need a cane now. The doctor said I need a cane now.
Kata dokter aku butuh tongkat sekarang.
Let me help you choose one. Let me help you choose one.
Biar kubantu pilihkan.
Should we buy a wooden or metal cane? Should we buy a wooden or metal cane?
Kita beli tongkat kayu atau logam?
Wooden is lighter for daily use. Wooden is lighter for daily use.
Kayu lebih ringan untuk sehari-hari.
I just bought a new fishing rod. I just bought a new fishing rod.
Aku baru saja membeli joran pancing baru.
Nice. When will you go fishing? Nice. When will you go fishing?
Bagus. Kapan kamu akan pergi memancing?
Maybe this Sunday with my dad. Maybe this Sunday with my dad.
Mungkin hari Minggu ini dengan ayahku.
That sounds like a great plan. That sounds like a great plan.
Kedengarannya seperti rencana yang bagus.
He taught me how to fish. He taught me how to fish.
Dia mengajariku cara memancing.
Did you catch anything last time? Did you catch anything last time?
Apakah kamu dapat ikan terakhir kali?
Just a small one near the lake. Just a small one near the lake.
Hanya seekor kecil di dekat danau.
Still, that must be exciting. Still, that must be exciting.
Tetap saja, pasti itu menyenangkan.
I hope this rod works better. I hope this rod works better.
Semoga joran ini bekerja lebih baik.
Let me know how it goes later. Let me know how it goes later.
Kasih tahu aku hasilnya nanti ya.
There is a long line here. There is a long line here.
Ada antrian panjang di sini.
What are they waiting for? What are they waiting for?
Apa yang mereka tunggu?
It's a line for free coffee. It's a line for free coffee.
Ini antrian untuk kopi gratis.
That sounds interesting to me. That sounds interesting to me.
Itu terdengar menarik bagiku.
Should we join the line now? Should we join the line now?
Haruskah kita masuk antrian sekarang?
Let's stand in line together. Let's stand in line together.
Ayo kita antri bersama-sama.
The line is moving very slow. The line is moving very slow.
Antrian ini bergerak sangat lambat.
Maybe we should just go home. Maybe we should just go home.
Mungkin kita harus pulang saja.
Can I punch holes in this paper? Can I punch holes in this paper?
Bolehkah aku melubangi kertas ini?
Sure, the hole punch is right there. Sure, the hole punch is right there.
Tentu, pelubang kertasnya ada di situ.
Should I punch 2 or 3 holes? Should I punch 2 or 3 holes?
Haruskah aku buat 2 atau 3 lubang?
Just 2 is fine for the binder. Just 2 is fine for the binder.
2 saja cukup untuk map ringnya.
I'll line it up with the edge. I'll line it up with the edge.
Aku akan sejajarkan dengan tepinya.
Good idea. That keeps it neat. Good idea. That keeps it neat.
Ide bagus itu membuatnya rapi.
These holes look nice and clean. These holes look nice and clean.
Lubang-lubangnya kelihatan bagus dan rapi.
Great. Now it fits in the folder. Great. Now it fits in the folder.
Bagus, sekarang pas di dalam mapnya.
I'll punch the rest of them now. I'll punch the rest of them now.
Aku akan melubangi sisanya sekarang.
Thanks. That really helps a lot. Thanks. That really helps a lot.
Terima kasih, itu sangat membantu.
The traffic is so slow today. The traffic is so slow today.
Lalu lintas sangat lambat hari ini.
I know, it's taking forever to move. I know, it's taking forever to move.
Saya tahu, ini butuh waktu lama untuk bergerak.
I'm getting frustrated with this. I'm getting frustrated with this.
Saya mulai frustrasi dengan ini.
Me too, I wish it would speed up. Me too, I wish it would speed up.
Saya juga, saya berharap ini cepat bergerak.
Maybe there's an accident ahead. Maybe there's an accident ahead.
Mungkin ada kecelakaan di depan.
That could be it. I hope it's not serious. That could be it. I hope it's not serious.
Mungkin saja, saya harap itu tidak serius.
Let's hope we don't stay stuck here too long. Let's hope we don't stay stuck here too long.
Semoga kita tidak terjebak terlalu lama di sini.
Yeah, I'm already running late. Yeah, I'm already running late.
Ya, saya sudah terlambat.
Hopefully, it will clear up soon. Hopefully, it will clear up soon.
Semoga segera lancar lagi.
Fingers crossed. I really need to get going. Fingers crossed. I really need to get going.
Semoga saja, saya benar-benar perlu pergi.
I usually take the bus to work. I usually take the bus to work.
Saya biasanya naik bus ke kantor.
That's convenient. How long is the ride? That's convenient. How long is the ride?
Itu praktis. Berapa lama perjalananmu?
It takes about 30 minutes each day. It takes about 30 minutes each day.
Itu memakan waktu sekitar 30 menit setiap hari.
That's not too bad. Is it crowded? That's not too bad. Is it crowded?
Itu tidak terlalu buruk. Apakah busnya penuh?
Sometimes it can get really crowded. Sometimes it can get really crowded.
Terkadang, busnya bisa sangat penuh.
That sounds uncomfortable. How do you manage? That sounds uncomfortable. How do you manage?
Itu terdengar tidak nyaman. Bagaimana kamu mengatasinya?
I usually listen to music to relax. I usually listen to music to relax.
Saya biasanya mendengarkan musik untuk bersantai.
That's a good idea to pass the time. That's a good idea to pass the time.
Itu ide bagus untuk mengisi waktu.
I prefer taking the bus over driving. I prefer taking the bus over driving.
Saya lebih suka naik bus daripada mengemudi.
It's less stressful for sure. It's less stressful for sure.
Itu pasti lebih mengurangi stres.
You seem very friendly to everyone here. You seem very friendly to everyone here.
Kamu terlihat sangat ramah kepada semua orang di sini.
Thank you. I always try to be friendly. Thank you. I always try to be friendly.
Terima kasih, saya selalu berusaha ramah.
It's nice to see someone so kind. It's nice to see someone so kind.
Senang melihat seseorang yang begitu baik.
I believe being friendly makes everyone happy. I believe being friendly makes everyone happy.
Saya percaya bersikap ramah membuat semua orang senang.
I agree, your friendly attitude is contagious. I agree, your friendly attitude is contagious.
Saya setuju, sikap ramahmu menular.
I'm glad to hear that. It's important. I'm glad to hear that. It's important.
Senang mendengarnya, itu sangat penting.
How do you stay so friendly all the time? How do you stay so friendly all the time?
Bagaimana kamu tetap ramah sepanjang waktu?
I just smile and listen to people. I just smile and listen to people.
Saya hanya tersenyum dan mendengarkan orang.
That's a great way to stay positive. That's a great way to stay positive.
Itu cara yang bagus untuk tetap positif.
Being friendly makes life more enjoyable. Being friendly makes life more enjoyable.
Bersikap ramah membuat hidup lebih menyenangkan.
Thanks for meeting with me today. Thanks for meeting with me today.
Terima kasih sudah bertemu dengan saya hari ini.
It was a pleasure seeing you again. It was a pleasure seeing you again.
Senang bertemu denganmu lagi.
I really enjoyed our conversation. I really enjoyed our conversation.
Saya sangat menikmati percakapan kita.
Me too, it was really refreshing. Me too, it was really refreshing.
Saya juga sangat menyegarkan.
Take care and have a great day. Take care and have a great day.
Jaga diri dan semoga harimu menyenangkan.
Thank you, you have a great day too. Thank you, you have a great day too.
Terima kasih, semoga harimu juga menyenangkan.
I'll see you again very soon. I'll see you again very soon.
Saya akan bertemu lagi denganmu segera.
Looking forward to our next chat. Looking forward to our next chat.
Tidak sabar untuk obrolan kita berikutnya.
Bye for now, see you later. Bye for now, see you later.
Sampai jumpa, sampai nanti.
Bye, take care and stay safe. Bye, take care and stay safe.
Sampai jumpa, jaga diri dan tetaplah aman.
I bought a soft blanket today. I bought a soft blanket today.
Saya membeli selimut yang lembut hari ini.
That sounds cozy. What color is it? That sounds cozy. What color is it?
Itu terdengar nyaman. Warnanya apa?
It's light blue and very warm. It's light blue and very warm.
Warnanya biru muda dan sangat hangat.
I bet it's perfect for cold nights. I bet it's perfect for cold nights.
Pasti sangat cocok untuk malam yang dingin.
Yes, it's so soft. I can't wait to use it. Yes, it's so soft. I can't wait to use it.
Ya, itu sangat lembut. Saya tidak sabar untuk menggunakannya.
You'll sleep really well with that. You'll sleep really well with that.
Kamu pasti tidur sangat nyenyak dengan itu.
I love soft fabrics. They feel so nice. I love soft fabrics. They feel so nice.
Saya suka kain yang lembut, rasanya sangat nyaman.
Me too. They're so comforting. Me too. They're so comforting.
Saya juga. Mereka sangat menenangkan.
I think I'll buy another one for the couch. I think I'll buy another one for the couch.
Saya pikir saya akan membeli satu lagi untuk sofa.
That's a great idea. It'll match perfectly. That's a great idea. It'll match perfectly.
Itu ide yang bagus, pasti cocok sekali.
I'm so hungry. What should we eat? I'm so hungry. What should we eat?
Saya sangat lapar. Kita makan apa?
How about some pizza? It's my favorite. How about some pizza? It's my favorite.
Bagaimana dengan pizza? Itu favorit saya.
Pizza sounds great. Do you want extra cheese? Pizza sounds great. Do you want extra cheese?
Pizza terdengar enak. Apakah kamu mau tambahan keju?
Yes, extra cheese makes it even better. Yes, extra cheese makes it even better.
Ya, keju tambahan membuatnya lebih enak.
I agree. Extra cheese is always delicious. I agree. Extra cheese is always delicious.
Saya setuju, keju tambahan selalu lezat.
What toppings do you want on your pizza? What toppings do you want on your pizza?
Topping apa yang kamu inginkan di pizzamu?
I'll have mushrooms, olives, and pepperoni. I'll have mushrooms, olives, and pepperoni.
Saya ingin jamur, zaitun, dan pepperoni.
That sounds perfect. I'll have the same. That sounds perfect. I'll have the same.
Itu terdengar sempurna. Saya akan pesan yang sama.
Great. I'm sure we'll enjoy this pizza. Great. I'm sure we'll enjoy this pizza.
Bagus, saya yakin kita akan menikmati pizza ini.
I'm so excited. I'm really hungry now. I'm so excited. I'm really hungry now.
Saya sangat bersemangat. Saya benar-benar lapar sekarang.
It's so hot outside today. It's so hot outside today.
Sangat panas di luar hari ini.
Yes, it's like the sun is so strong. Yes, it's like the sun is so strong.
Ya, rasanya matahari sangat terik.
I'm sweating just by walking. I'm sweating just by walking.
Saya berkeringat hanya dengan berjalan.
You should drink plenty of water. You should drink plenty of water.
Kamu harus minum banyak air.
I think I need to stay in the shade. I think I need to stay in the shade.
Saya rasa saya harus tetap di tempat teduh.
That's a good idea. It's too hot. That's a good idea. It's too hot.
Itu ide yang bagus, ini sangat panas.
I might go swimming to cool off. I might go swimming to cool off.
Saya mungkin akan berenang untuk mendinginkan diri.
Swimming sounds perfect in this heat. Swimming sounds perfect in this heat.
Berenang terdengar sempurna di panas seperti ini.
I can't wait to feel the cool water. I can't wait to feel the cool water.
Saya tidak sabar untuk merasakan air yang sejuk.
It will definitely help you feel better. It will definitely help you feel better.
Itu pasti akan membuatmu merasa lebih baik.
Do you like to run in the morning? Do you like to run in the morning?
Apakah kamu suka berlari di pagi hari?
Yes, I enjoy running in the fresh air. Yes, I enjoy running in the fresh air.
Ya, saya suka berlari di udara segar.
Running is great for staying healthy. Running is great for staying healthy.
Berlari sangat baik untuk kesehatan.
I agree. It helps me stay fit and strong. I agree. It helps me stay fit and strong.
Saya setuju. Itu membantu saya tetap bugar dan kuat.
How long do you usually run? How long do you usually run?
Biasanya kamu berlari berapa lama?
I usually run for 30 minutes every morning. I usually run for 30 minutes every morning.
Saya biasanya berlari selama 30 menit setiap pagi.
I try to run at least 3 times a week. I try to run at least 3 times a week.
Saya coba berlari setidaknya 3 kali seminggu.
That's a good routine. I should do that. That's a good routine. I should do that.
Itu rutinitas yang bagus. Saya harus coba itu.
Running makes me feel energized and happy. Running makes me feel energized and happy.
Berlari membuat saya merasa berenergi dan bahagia.
Me too. It's such a great way to start the day. Me too. It's such a great way to start the day.
Saya juga. Itu cara yang sangat baik untuk memulai hari.
You look really tired today. You look really tired today.
Kamu terlihat sangat lelah hari ini.
Yes, I stayed up late working on a project. Yes, I stayed up late working on a project.
Ya, saya begadang menyelesaikan proyek.
You should take a break and rest. You should take a break and rest.
Kamu sebaiknya istirahat sejenak.
I know, I'm just finishing a few things. I know, I'm just finishing a few things.
Saya tahu, saya hanya menyelesaikan beberapa hal.
It's important to listen to your body. It's important to listen to your body.
Penting untuk mendengarkan tubuhmu.
You're right, I'll rest after this. You're right, I'll rest after this.
Kamu benar, saya akan istirahat setelah ini.
You've been working hard, take care. You've been working hard, take care.
Kamu sudah bekerja keras, jaga diri.
Thank you. I'll take a short nap soon. Thank you. I'll take a short nap soon.
Terima kasih, saya akan tidur sebentar nanti.
Resting is the best way to recharge. Resting is the best way to recharge.
Istirahat adalah cara terbaik untuk mengisi ulang energi.
I completely agree. I'll relax now. I completely agree. I'll relax now.
Saya setuju sepenuhnya, saya akan santai sekarang.
I need to go to the grocery store today. I need to go to the grocery store today.
Saya perlu pergi ke toko sembako hari ini.
What do you need to buy? What do you need to buy?
Apa yang perlu kamu beli?
I'm out of fruits and vegetables. I'm out of fruits and vegetables.
Saya kehabisan buah dan sayuran.
You should get some fresh ones. You should get some fresh ones.
Kamu harus membeli beberapa yang segar.
I also need some snacks for the week. I also need some snacks for the week.
Saya juga perlu camilan untuk seminggu.
Don't forget to get some drinks too. Don't forget to get some drinks too.
Jangan lupa membeli beberapa minuman juga.
I'll grab some juice and soda. I'll grab some juice and soda.
Saya akan ambil beberapa jus dan soda.
Great. That sounds like a good plan. Great. That sounds like a good plan.
Bagus, itu terdengar seperti rencana yang baik.
After that, I can cook a nice dinner. After that, I can cook a nice dinner.
Setelah itu, saya bisa memasak makan malam yang enak.
I'm sure it'll be delicious. I'm sure it'll be delicious.
Saya yakin itu akan enak.
I need to organize my desk today. I need to organize my desk today.
Saya perlu merapikan meja saya hari ini.
That sounds like a good plan. That sounds like a good plan.
Itu terdengar seperti rencana yang bagus.
My desk is full of papers and books. My desk is full of papers and books.
Meja saya penuh dengan kertas dan buku.
I know the feeling. It gets messy fast. I know the feeling. It gets messy fast.
Saya tahu perasaan itu. Meja bisa cepat berantakan.
I'll start by sorting through the papers. I'll start by sorting through the papers.
Saya akan mulai dengan menyortir kertas-kertas.
That's a good place to start. That's a good place to start.
Itu tempat yang baik untuk mulai.
I also need to clean my desk surface. I also need to clean my desk surface.
Saya juga perlu membersihkan permukaan meja saya.
A clean desk always helps me focus. A clean desk always helps me focus.
Meja yang bersih selalu membantu saya fokus.
After that, I'll feel more organized. After that, I'll feel more organized.
Setelah itu saya akan merasa lebih teratur.
You'll feel so much better after. You'll feel so much better after.
Kamu pasti akan merasa lebih baik setelahnya.
I've been trying to learn something new. I've been trying to learn something new.
Aku sedang mencoba mempelajari sesuatu yang baru.
That's great. What are you learning right now? That's great. What are you learning right now?
Bagus sekali. Apa yang sedang kamu pelajari sekarang?
I'm learning how to cook different dishes. I'm learning how to cook different dishes.
Aku sedang belajar memasak berbagai hidangan.
That's exciting. Cooking can be so rewarding. That's exciting. Cooking can be so rewarding.
Seru sekali. Memasak bisa sangat memuaskan.
It's fun, but sometimes I make mistakes. It's fun, but sometimes I make mistakes.
Itu menyenangkan, tapi kadang aku melakukan kesalahan.
Mistakes are part of learning, don't worry. Mistakes are part of learning, don't worry.
Kesalahan adalah bagian dari belajar. Jangan khawatir.
Do you think learning gets easier with practice? Do you think learning gets easier with practice?
Menurutmu, belajar menjadi lebih mudah dengan latihan?
Absolutely, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Absolutely, the more you practice, the better you'll get.
Tentu saja, semakin sering latihan kamu jadi semakin mahir.
I'll keep practicing until I get really good. I'll keep practicing until I get really good.
Aku akan terus berlatih sampai aku benar-benar mahir.
That's the right attitude. Keep up the great work. That's the right attitude. Keep up the great work.
Itu sikap yang tepat. Teruskan kerja bagusmu.
I went to the market this morning. I went to the market this morning.
Saya pergi ke pasar pagi ini.
What did you buy there? What did you buy there?
Apa yang kamu beli di sana?
I bought some fresh vegetables. I bought some fresh vegetables.
Saya membeli beberapa sayuran segar.
That's great. Do you cook a lot? That's great. Do you cook a lot?
Itu hebat. Apakah kamu sering memasak?
Yes, I enjoy cooking healthy meals. Yes, I enjoy cooking healthy meals.
Ya, saya suka memasak makanan sehat.
What's your favorite dish to make? What's your favorite dish to make?
Apa hidangan favoritmu untuk dibuat?
I love making vegetable stir-fry. I love making vegetable stir-fry.
Saya suka membuat tumis sayuran.
That sounds delicious. I love stir-fry. That sounds delicious. I love stir-fry.
Itu terdengar lezat. Saya suka tumis sayuran.
I think I'll make it for dinner tonight. I think I'll make it for dinner tonight.
Saya pikir saya akan membuatnya untuk makan malam nanti.
I hope it turns out great. I hope it turns out great.
Semoga berhasil.
I love to listen to music while working. I love to listen to music while working.
Saya suka mendengarkan musik saat bekerja.
Music helps me focus too. What do you listen to? Music helps me focus too. What do you listen to?
Musik juga membantu saya fokus. Apa yang kamu dengarkan?
I usually listen to classical music. I usually listen to classical music.
Saya biasanya mendengarkan musik klasik.
That's nice. It's so calming. That's nice. It's so calming.
Itu bagus. Musik klasik sangat menenangkan.
I find it relaxing after a busy day. I find it relaxing after a busy day.
Saya merasa tenang setelah hari yang sibuk.
I agree, it's perfect for winding down. I agree, it's perfect for winding down.
Saya setuju, itu sempurna untuk bersantai.
Sometimes I also listen to podcasts. Sometimes I also listen to podcasts.
Terkadang saya juga mendengarkan podcast.
What kind of podcasts do you enjoy? What kind of podcasts do you enjoy?
Podcast tentang apa yang kamu sukai?
I enjoy listening to history podcasts. I enjoy listening to history podcasts.
Saya suka mendengarkan podcast sejarah.
That sounds interesting. I'll try it. That sounds interesting. I'll try it.
Itu terdengar menarik, saya akan mencobanya.
I need to pack my bag for the trip. I need to pack my bag for the trip.
Saya perlu mengemas tas saya untuk perjalanan.
What are you bringing with you? What are you bringing with you?
Apa saja yang kamu bawa?
I'm bringing clothes, toiletries, and snacks. I'm bringing clothes, toiletries, and snacks.
Saya membawa pakaian, perlengkapan mandi, dan camilan.
Sounds like a good plan. Sounds like a good plan.
Kedengarannya seperti rencana yang bagus.
I also packed my camera to take photos. I also packed my camera to take photos.
Saya juga mengemas kamera saya untuk mengambil foto.
That's a great idea. Don't forget it. That's a great idea. Don't forget it.
Itu ide yang bagus. Jangan lupa membawanya.
I always make sure to bring extra chargers. I always make sure to bring extra chargers.
Saya selalu memastikan untuk membawa pengisi daya cadangan.
That's smart. You never know when you'll need it. That's smart. You never know when you'll need it.
Itu pintar. Kamu tidak pernah tahu kapan akan dibutuhkan.
My bag is almost ready, just a few more things. My bag is almost ready, just a few more things.
Tas saya hampir siap, tinggal beberapa hal lagi.
You're all set for your trip. You're all set for your trip.
Kamu sudah siap untuk perjalananmu.